Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine and confirming essentials. First, save and close files, then install all pending Windows updates so the system has latest fixes. Once done, open Device Manager and check driver updates for chipset and display. Update if needed. Next, in Power Options, turn off Fast Startup because it often blocks full shutdown. Make sure to unplug USB devices and docks to rule out peripheral hangs before moving to deeper troubleshooting. Now you dive into diagnostics to find the real cause. Use Event Viewer to note any error codes during attempted shutdowns, then run sfc/scano followed by dism restore health to repair corrupted system files. These commands fix many invisible issues. After that, perform a clean boot by disabling non-Microsoft startup items to see if an app prevents shutdown. If the problem disappears in a clean boot, re-enable groups of services to isolate the culprit and remove or update that software. Finish by applying concrete fixes that resolve persistent cases. Reset your active power plan to defaults and update BIOS or firmware only if the vendor recommends it. Firmware fixes hardware sleep and shutdown quirks. If issues persist, create a restore point and run a repair install to refresh Windows without losing files. Make sure to test shutdown after each step. If nothing works, use System Restore or a controlled Windows reset. Key tip: keep logs and a restore point so you can undo changes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.